Good morning, my dear students of 3rd standard. Let's start workbook, page 3, chapter 1. Mr. Toad goes for a ride. Dear students, this chapter is from Unit 1. Unit 1, its workbook, work was left. Today we will complete workbook. Circle the antonyms of the words in capital. Antonym means opposite words. First, friends, circle enemies, proud, humble, careful, careless, joyful, sad, rare, common. B. Write the names of these things. Use the clues. Something we use to travel by road, motor, car. Second, tell the time, watch. Third, carry money, wallet. Fourth, take pictures, camera. Fifth, cut cloth or paper, scissors. Sixth, add, subtract, divide and multiply, calculator. Seventh, secure, door, lock. Second chapter, a light for the palace fire. Circle the words that cannot be used with the words in capitals. We have to circle that words which cannot be used with the capital words, like king, vast. King cannot be vast. Fire cannot be cool. Gold cannot be bitter. Elephant cannot be green. Folk cannot be burning. Palace cannot be deep. B exercise, join the words within brackets with words from the box to make new words. Fill in the blanks with the new words. We can use help from clue box. Gina agreed to give some coal from her fireplace. Grandpa sat in his armchair. Breakfast is one most important meal of the day. Photographs are developed in a dark room. Mother told us to return home before sunset. Malti's dress has all the colors of the rainbow. Now, 5th chapter, going to the village. A farmer word in a field. A farmer works in a field. Match these people with their places of work. Farmer works in a field. Match these people with their places of work. Surgeon, B, hospital. Second, judge, court. Third, teller, bank. Fourth, artist, studio. Fifth, scientist, laboratory. Sixth, florist, flower shop. B, unscramble the letters within the brackets and fill in the blanks with the words. My uncle grows dash and sugarcane on his farm. Wheat. The violin and the dash are musical instruments. Guitar. Dash is a natural source of vitamins. Fruits. I help my mother to water the plants. Do not waste water and dash electricity.